what's inside of a motor. And I just took apart this motor that came out of a blower HVAC furnace, and just showing you guys what's inside of it. This was the backing. This was the front of the unit. And this giant cylinder that rotated in the center went like that inside of the bearings. The bearings actually went bad on this unit. There was 4 long bolts that I removed. 1, 2, 3, 4 on each corner. Real easy to get inside of here, and it spins, but it was vibrating like a bat out of hell. Took it apart to see what's inside of it, I'm always curious to see what's inside of stuff. So this is solid steel, almost like, very, very heavy. And just showing you guys what happens. I think what happens is, and correct me if I'm wrong in the thread, that when electricity goes through here, it magnetizes it. All these little tiny bars get magnetized, causing this to spin like crazy. So, and then when electricity is cut off, the magnetism goes away. I think it's something like what you do in science class when you hook up, wrap a wire around like a bolt and put a battery on one end and a battery on the other end. You could look that up. I'm sure somebody's made a video on it. And then it gets magnetized when you put a little tiny battery to it, even a little, 1.7 volt AAA or AA. So that's about it. What's inside of a motor? What the hell did you think was in here? Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.